If it is difficult to understand my pronunciations, then you can turn on the subtitles. This keyboard is officially not supported on Linux, but it is partially compatible on Linux. I briefly tested the keyboard on OpenSUSE 42.1 and few other distributions. Some conventional keyboard shortcuts which involve function keys don't work. Other keyboard shortcuts which doesn't involve function keys do work. For example, Alt plus F4 is used for closing a window, but it doesn't work. So for closing window, Ctrl plus Q has to be used. Similarly, Ctrl plus F4 doesn't work for closing a tab in a browser. Ctrl plus W has to be used. Also, keyboard shortcuts sometimes vary on different desktop environments. What works on GNOME may not work on KDE. What gives a particular output on Unity may give some different output on Mate. The function keys don't work as function keys on Linux desktop environment. They work as Android shortcuts on Linux desktop environments. So when I press F2 button, it shows me recent apps. When I press the F5 button, it opens a file search window. It will take unreasonable time to discuss all shortcuts, so I made some slides. Other shortcuts like cut, copy, paste work almost every time. Can I use the K480 keyboard for my Linux computer? Yes, if you wanted to type some text and numbers. No, if you rely on the function keys, that is F1 to F12. That's all.